customer. So, well, we have made one of the problem. When we have this cable, when we bend it, you can see from the hole it cannot get through because the cable is in the middle. Sometimes it could jam it, cannot go through, or sometimes you can break the cable because you will never know which location the cable is. So we have to find a way to fix this issue. Per my understanding, if we can print in one of the tube, so we can push the cable to the side. So by that way, the screw can go through without any problem. So we will design one of the plastic tube, and print it. So we have loaded the file onto the Cura. So now we can see this area is hanging in the air. We have to make it at the bottom. So when you're printing this lace area hanging in the air, so successful rate would be higher. So now I have to turn this part to a 180 degree. So let's move this 180 degree. So we can see the bottom is touching the bed. So we're printing like this. Okay, then we click slicing. And now we have three choices. Save as a TFT file, which means G-code with pictures. Save to file is a normal G-code. You can save to your SD card or USB. And this one, printing over one-hot duplicator D12 dual, which means you can transfer through Wi-Fi. Let's do this. So the printer has received the file transfer from your computer. So now the bed is 45 degrees. It's reached the target. The hot end reaches 190 degrees. So the temperature is reaching. So the printer starts the printing automatically. So it's just a transfer through Wi-Fi. It's very easy. And also, you can see the image of the part you are going to get. So this part is here. So we are printing now. Okay, so we have finished the printing. Okay, so now we have this. We have printing this file, this plastic file, so it can push the cable to the side. So now we will push this inside. We push it down to the end of it. Okay, by this way you can see from the hole. It's very clear. So no matter the cable move or something, you still can get the screw go through without problem. So this is a gesture for the application.